Hello, welcome to ANS Solver. This is the third question of the paper. As you can see, this is a trigonometry question. So now I have got 2 theta equals to 2 tan theta between 0 degrees to 180 degrees. So what I basically need to do here is, I know cot 2 theta can be written as 1 over tan 2 theta, correct? It is equal to 2 tan theta, because I know cot theta is equal to 1 over tan theta, correct? So now I know the tan 2 theta formula is simply 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan square theta, which is equal to 2 tan theta. Now what I can do is I can basically take this up. What I can do is I can write this as 1 minus tan square theta over 2 tan theta is equal to 2 tan theta. So now I can write this as 1 minus tan square theta equals to 2 tan theta into 2 tan theta, correct? I can basically take this to this side. Now what I can do is I can write this as 1 minus tan square theta is equal to 4 tan square theta. So now this can be written as 1 equals to 4 tan square theta plus tan square theta, which I can write as 5 tan square theta equals to 1, correct? So now I can write this as tan square theta equals to 1 over 5, which I can basically write as tan theta equals to the square root of 1 over 5. But whenever I take from square to square root, there's always a plus and minus. Now what I need to do is, I can say my tan theta is equal to the positive root of 1 over 5, or I can say tan theta is equal to the negative root of 1 over 5. So let's focus on the positive. Just write the domain again. The domain is from 0 degrees to 180 degrees. So it's basically from 0 degrees to 180 degrees, correct? This is what your domain is. So now what you can do is, I need my tan theta to be positive here, correct? So I can make my ASTC curve. Remember AS levels? Yeah. Now I know tan is positive in the first quadrant and the third quadrant. But the third quadrant comes after 180 degrees. So the third quadrant won't be possible. So I need my answer in the first quadrant. So make sure you are on the degree mode and do tan inverse of root 1 over 5. When you do that, you get your answer as theta equals to 24.1 degrees. Correct? This is what you get. So now what I need to do is, so this is one of my answer. For my second value, where tan theta is equal to negative root of 1 over 5, what you need to do is, you need to play it simple. You know tan is negative in the second quadrant and the last quadrant, but the last quadrant does not lie in the range, correct? Agreed? So now what you need to do is, you need to find the value in the second quadrant. To find the value in the second quadrant, you know this is 180, correct? So to find the value in the second quadrant, you need to do 180 minus theta. Theta is basically the value which lies in the first quadrant. Now how do I find the value in the first quadrant? I simply just do tan inverse of positive, not negative, positive, this needs to be positive root 1 over 5, which I already know is 24.1. So I know my value here is 24.1. So to find the value in the second quadrant, I just do 180 minus 24.1, correct? This is what I do. So just do that on the calc. So when I do that, I get my answer as 155.9 0.9. It is basically the final answer of my question. So these are my two values for theta.